There are plenty of fish in the ocean if you like fish. Personally, I prefer men. Call it a weakness. Pepe le Pew. If you don't know who Pepe le Pew is, please stop watching my channel because you're just not cool, okay? What can we learn from Pepe le Pew and how to be successful? Easy. Pepe le Pew never ever gave up. He was delusional. He was like, Madame, she cannot resist me. If you pursue your dreams like Pepe le Pew, I'm not delusional enough, right? Because if I really was more delusional and believed in myself even more, that's what I've been thinking. What have I been missing? That's what it is. I really don't believe in myself enough, because if I was really as delusional as Pepe le Pew, what would I do? Whatever it takes. I mean, the only thing is, like, I think what it is because when I'm thinking from, you know, what's normal and what would a normal person do, but I'm not normal. What would a delusional person do? What would a person do if they wanted to really work to pursue their dreams, goals, whatever, right? Now, as far as weight loss, I had some 250 pounds. I didn't do what a normal person would do. I never counted calories. Never. I lost weight. Yep. I said no a lot more. Not to food. Yes, to food also. But I said no to people because I was enjoying my life. I was just walking, listening to music. I fell in love with myself again when I got rid of my ex. Even right before I dumped him, I started to lose the weight, and I shut everybody out, including him. And that's what I need to do. It's hard to shut people out though when, and I'm not making excuses or complaining, but when you don't have a place to live and you're out in public and there's people out around, you got to use the bathroom. So sometimes you got to ask for a code, or you got to put a code in, or there's people around, and I care a lot. I care too much sometimes. Say somebody's ahead of you in a line, for example, and you're waiting in line for the bathroom, and that's the only bathroom anywhere close to you, what would you do? Move it or lose it, Grandma. Would you, I don't know, maybe you'd push them out of the way and say, well, you probably wouldn't say anything messed up, but if you really had to go, you're like, I'm not going to go in my pants. I'm going to go to the bathroom. I don't care, right? Maybe I need to start doing stuff like that. I do, because success has no apologies, and I'm not going to shit my pants, right? Well, I'm going to pursue my dreams like Pepe le Pew. I'm going to be delusional. I'm going to really believe in my delusions that I tell you I'm going to be a billionaire. Oh, I'm going to be a billionaire, but I don't even have a place to live. That's ridiculous, right? That's stupid. Who's going to believe in me? Nobody. Nobody's going to believe in me when you need money to survive also. You need to live indoors. You need to have a place to sleep, you need to have food. I mean, you don't really need a stove, but you kind of do, right? You need a stove. You need a microwave. You need a refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to be like Pepe le Pew. And that's my recommendation. You can take my advice on that. I know you know what I'm talking about. Pepe le Pew never gave up. And now we are inseparable. Are we not, darling? And Penelope was chained up in the corner. As far as relationships, that would be illegal. We're talking about success. Penelope is success, and you are Pepe le Pew. Now we are inseparable. Success and I, we're inseparable. Success is over there, chained up in the corner going, go get my recipe book. It's only $20.
You're worth it. Subscribe.